We got our first Sunlighten mPulse in the winter of 2022. So as of this recording, it's been 3.5 years that we've been using a Sunlighten mPulse full spectrum infrared sauna. This is actually our second model. We started out with the mPulse Believe. It was a 2-person sauna back in the days. Then we upgrade to this one a little bit bigger and also has the red light therapy that the old model did not have. And so in this video, let me share with you how we've been liking the Sunlighten mPulse over the years. If there is anything that we haven't liked, that we don't like, that I think Sunlighten could improve. I'm also going to share with you what Sunlighten has actually improved over the years, ever since we've gotten our first mPulse, and anything in between. So if you're in the market for a sauna and you're wondering, is the Sunlighten mPulse worth it? Is it still worth it for us? This video is for you. And with that, we're going to jump right in, maybe give you a quick overview of what the Sunlighten mPulse is. It is a full spectrum infrared sauna, meaning that it emits near, mid, and far infrared. And the latest model also has the red light therapy. So you really get 4 frequencies of light that can help you get the most out of your sauna experience. And what sets the all Sunlighten saunas really apart, and that is also true for the mPulse, is the heater technology that they use. That's arguably the most important aspect of any infrared sauna. How much of the energy that the heater produces ends up in your tissue. That's the most important aspect, because without it, if you don't get enough of that energy dumped into your tissue, you're not going to get any of the benefits, or very little at least. So what sets Sunlighten apart from most of the other sauna brands, especially those sold at big box stores, and we have a separate video on that, is the emissivity, as it's called, of the heating elements, meaning that how much of the energy the heater produces ends up in your tissue and getting absorbed by the photoreceptors in your cells. That's what triggers the benefits of infrared saunas and infrared radiation in general. And so with Sunlighten, you get very high emissivity heaters, 95 to 99% emissivity, in contrast to 85, 86%, which is what you would typically find in most infrared saunas sold on the market. The second aspect that I really like about Sunlighten is, and that also goes back to health and the benefits I get out from my sauna, is the low toxic or no toxic nature of the materials. You know, there's probably nothing worse than sitting in a sauna, having your pores all the way open, breathing faster because your cardiovascular system is under stress, so you inhale more air, and then you inhale off gases from glues and from stains and from some of the materials used in the sauna. That would be absolutely detrimental to your health overall and to the sauna session, the benefits of the sauna session. So with Sunlighten, I know that they use only non-toxic materials. They don't use any glues. There is no off-gassing. There is no VOCs that could potentially negatively impact my sauna session and my health overall. And the second aspect of that is the low EMF nature. You know, whenever there is electronics involved, there is, radio frequency, there is a magnetic radiation. All of those things can potentially negatively impact your health, depending on what your view is on EMFs. With Sunlighten, they've tested their saunas for EMFs, for low emissivity, and I feel good about using that sauna without, again, negatively impacting my health. And so those are just some of the reasons why I like Sunlighten very much, why I still like our mPulse very much, and why I still recommend it to friends and family. Another aspect, more from a branding perspective, that is not necessarily true only for the mPulse, but for all of the products Sunlighten offers. They look at the science, at light science, to make sure that whatever they put into the products actually delivers benefits. Instead of just saying, we're gonna buy some red light or some infrared panels from China, slap them in, and we call it a sauna. No, Sunlighten goes beyond that. They've been doing this for many, many years to put out products that are actually beneficial and that have been studied to make sure they deliver the benefits that you would expect from your product, especially one that's priced on the higher end of the spectrum. So that's just in a nutshell what is the mPulse and why I do like Sunlighten. Overall, the quality is top notch, has been holding up very well. As you can see, we have it on the outside. We use a cover. I'm going to talk about this a little bit because that's one of the downsides if you want to use the sauna outside without being protected from the elements. We have it out in the open. We don't have any awning or anything that would potentially, keep the rain off. So we need this cover, but it's been holding up great. We have the eucalyptus cedar model. That's the model that's meant to be used or can be used outside, so meaning it's cedar on the inside, smells very nice. I really like this. And eucalyptus, which is a fairly rot resistant type of wood, on the outside. But again, because it's out in the open, we still need this cover, which is one of the downsides, I want to say, because we have this beautiful cedar eucalyptus sauna, with windows all around, and then we slap this cover on that gets stained and stuff over time from the elements, and it doesn't really look that pretty. But I'm grateful that we have this cover so we can use the sauna in the only space we have, which is out in the open. If we had an awning, I would not be using this cover, and it would look even prettier from an aesthetics perspective. The cover is not ideal, but it's better than not having a sauna at all, which would be the other option in our case, unless we wanted to build something. So that's one of the down, not really Sunlighten's fault. With any wood sauna that has electronics, you need to protect it somehow. You cannot have it directly rained on, and so this is what it is. Now, what don't we like about the sauna? What could Sunlighten improve, and what have they improved? Let's talk about this next. And the number one gripe that I've mentioned throughout all of my reviews over the years of the mPulse is the built-in screen, the tablet, that has pros and cons. The pro obviously is if you want to go into the sauna like I am and I want to catch up on, you know, the latest homesteading kind of videos. I mean, my YouTube video consumption is really limited to homesteading videos, so I see what, you know, we grow animals here on our homestead, and I want to see and learn from others what are they doing, what has worked for them, what hasn't. And so spending half an hour in the sauna is my time where I can catch up on what others are doing in the realm of homesteading and raising animals for food. And I really like this. I like to have that screen. The downside obviously is it's an electronic device that, you know, needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. And so from a pure sauna kind of perspective, that might not be ideal. But for me, you know, the balance is tipped towards having the screen. But if you're like on the fence, you're like, you know what, you would like to have a high quality sauna, but without the screen, the good news is Sunlighten sells the Signature and the Amplify that do not have a screen. And so you can get the sauna experience without the screen. But again, for me, it's worth having it. They optimize the applications, whatever you know, maybe tweaked with the Android operating system settings, but it's significantly faster than it was in the past, and it doesn't crash anymore. So you always have remote access unless you pull the plug of the sauna, of course. So that issue has been fixed. The other thing, that the tablet itself, Sunlighten has also upgraded that in its latest model, not the one we have, but if you see this video now and you make a purchase, you likely already get the upgraded screen, which is not only bigger and brighter, it's also more performant. So again, I appreciate that Sunlighten has recognized some of those issues from the past and has fixed them. By the time you watch this video, you know, most of those issues have likely been fixed already. The second thing, which is really a minor thing, but I want to point it out anyways, there are those plastic tracks on there that have magnets built in, and the purpose of those is to keep the door shut so that there is no gap and nothing can get in, especially if you use the sauna on the outside. That's very helpful, so no insects and stuff can get in. But over time, once you open it, that track here, I guess the tension on the track that clamps on to the glass panel here loosens up, and so when you open the door, you pull the entire track off. Now, I've been told, I haven't verified it yet because I don't have the latest model, but that has been fixed as well. But if you still have an older model, or if you maybe buy an older model secondhand from someone, all you have to do is really, you know, put some double-sided tape in there, or maybe one of those, you know, tapes used to hang pictures that are very strong adhesives, and then you attach it and the problem is fixed. So that's, you could also consider just using a stronger magnet up here so the door keeps shut with the magnet that's built in here. There are various easy and inexpensive solutions to fix that, but something that I wanted to point out because we've noticed this over time. The other thing that's, again, not necessarily Sunlighten related, more related to us, we didn't perfectly level the sauna. We have it here on dirt, you know, we just used some cinder blocks underneath, but it was not perfectly level. And whenever temperatures and humidity levels change, like here in Georgia, super humid in summer, can be relatively dry in winter, and the leveling is off, then the door might snag a little, and you either have to readjust it or you level it properly, which is what we should have done from the get-go, and we'll probably do this over winter. We re-level it to make sure it's completely flat and nothing snags here. But that's really it. I mean, overall, it's been 3.5 years. We absolutely love the mPulse. We've been using it a lot, maybe a little bit less in summer because I feel like I'm in the sauna just by standing outside, but in winter it's something that we use several times a week. It's high quality, high emissivity. That's really important, so you get all of the benefits you would expect from your sauna session, and you're not spending a couple of $1,000s for a warm box that doesn't really do anything to you as far as health is concerned. High quality materials, great customer support. Again, when we had those minor issues in the past, it was very easy to work with Sunlighten support to figure them out and fix them ultimately. High quality materials, non-off-gassing, low EMF. What's not to like? I mean, this is an investment. I understand it's not inexpensive. There are cheaper saunas on the market, but with cheaper you usually get also less benefit. So if you want to get the most benefits out of your sauna, Sunlighten is one of our favorite brands by far. High quality stuff and highly recommended. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who is in the market for a sauna, and if you want to buy an mPulse, you have two options. You either go to sunlighten.com and make a purchase and don't mention that you've seen this video that ultimately convinced you to make a purchase, and that's fine. I'm not going to get any commission if you do this, and that's perfectly fine. If you don't feel like I'm giving you my honest assessment, which I absolutely have. But if you want to support this channel and me and help me make more videos like this, mention that you saw this video on my channel, Michael Kummer, and that'll give you a discount and I get a kickback, and again, that helps me pay the bills and make more videos like this. So one way or the other, you're gonna get a great product that you'll absolutely love and that will hopefully improve your health and wellness over time. And with that, we're gonna wrap it up. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, and one last thing, if you want to learn more about the Sunlighten mPulse, I have a dedicated video review, the initial one that I did, and a very detailed blog post with all of the information that I could not cover in this video. So check that out. We're gonna link it down below. Thanks for watching.